Frogs. The hidden kings of nature, presented by King of the Wild Frogs, are among the most ancient and fascinating creatures on Earth. Long before humans walked the land, frogs were already thriving in forests, wetlands, rivers, and rain-soaked jungles. They are small in size, but their role in nature is massive. Often overlooked, frogs are silent guardians of ecosystems, balancing life in ways most people never notice. Frogs belong to a group of animals called amphibians. This means they live part of their lives in water and part on land. Their very existence connects two worlds, making them one of nature's most unique creations. From tropical rainforests to cold mountain streams, frogs have adapted to survive almost everywhere on the planet, except the coldest polar regions. One of the most amazing things about frogs is their life cycle. Every frog begins its life as an egg, laid in water or in moist environments. These eggs hatch into tadpoles, tiny aquatic creatures with tails and gills. At this stage, they resemble fish more than frogs. Tadpoles spend their early life feeding on algae and plant matter, growing slowly while hidden from predators. As time passes, a remarkable transformation takes place. Tadpoles begin to grow legs. First, the back legs appear, then the front legs. Their tails slowly shrink, their gills disappear, and lungs begin to develop. This process, called metamorphosis, is one of the most dramatic changes in the animal kingdom. In a short span of time, a water-dwelling tadpole becomes a land-hopping frog. Frogs breathe in extraordinary ways. While they do have lungs, many frogs can also breathe through their skin. Their skin must remain moist for this to work, which is why frogs are usually found near water or in damp environments. This special skin breathing allows frogs to survive underwater for long periods, especially during winter or drought conditions. The skin of a frog is not just for breathing. It is also a powerful defense system. Many frogs secrete toxic substances through their skin to protect themselves from predators. Brightly colored frogs, like poison dart frogs, use vivid colors as a warning sign. These colors tell predators, "Do not touch me." In contrast, many other frogs rely on camouflage, blending perfectly into leaves, mud, or tree bark. Frogs are expert hunters. Their diet mainly consists of insects, including mosquitoes, flies, beetles, and moths. A single frog can eat thousands of insects in a year, making frogs natural pest controllers. Some larger frog species even hunt small reptiles, birds, and rodents. They catch prey using their long, sticky tongues, which can shoot out faster than the human eye can follow. The frog's tongue is a biological marvel. It is attached at the front of the mouth rather than the back, allowing it to flip outward with incredible speed. The tongue is coated with sticky saliva, ensuring that once prey is touched, escape is almost impossible. In a fraction of a second, the tongue snaps back, delivering the meal directly into the frog's mouth. Frogs themselves are an important food source for many animals. Snakes, birds, fish, mammals, and even other frogs hunt them. This makes frogs a vital link in the food chain. Without frogs, insect populations would explode, and predators that rely on frogs would struggle to survive. One of the most iconic sounds in nature is the croaking of frogs. Male frogs use vocal calls to attract females and to warn other males to stay away. Each species has a unique call, like a signature sound. Some calls are deep and booming, while others are high-pitched chirps. During the rainy season, wetlands and ponds come alive with a chorus of frog calls, creating a natural symphony. Frogs are extremely sensitive to environmental changes. Because they breathe through their skin and live in both water and land, pollution affects them quickly. This is why frogs are considered indicator species. When frog populations decline, it often signals serious problems in the environment, such as water pollution, climate change, or habitat destruction. Across the world, frogs face many threats. Deforestation destroys their habitats. Pesticides poison their food sources. Climate change alters rainfall patterns, drying up breeding ponds. Deadly fungal diseases have wiped out entire frog species in some regions. Scientists warn that frogs are disappearing faster than almost any other group of animals on Earth. Despite these challenges, frogs continue to show incredible resilience. Some species have adapted to living in cities, hiding in drains, gardens, and urban ponds. Others survive extreme conditions by hibernating underground or freezing solid during winter, only to thaw and return to life when temperatures rise. Tree frogs are masters of climbing. Their toes have special sticky pads that allow them to cling to smooth leaves, branches, and even glass surfaces. These frogs spend most of their lives high above the ground, avoiding predators and hunting insects in the trees. Bullfrogs, among the largest frog species, are powerful and aggressive hunters. With loud calls and massive bodies, they dominate ponds and lakes. Their appetite is so large that they can impact entire ecosystems if introduced into new areas. Rainforest frogs display some of the most spectacular colors in nature. Blue, red, yellow, and green patterns decorate their bodies like living artwork. These colors are not for beauty alone. They are survival tools, warning predators of their toxic nature. Frogs have shared a long history with humans. In many cultures, frogs symbolize rain, fertility, transformation, and rebirth. Ancient civilizations respected frogs as signs of good fortune and balance. In modern science, frogs have helped researchers understand biology, medicine, and environmental health. At night, when the world becomes quiet, frogs awaken. They emerge from hiding to hunt, sing, and move through the shadows. Their glowing eyes reflect moonlight, and their calls echo across water bodies. This nighttime activity plays a crucial role in maintaining ecological balance. The survival of frogs is directly connected to the survival of nature itself. Protecting wetlands, reducing pollution, and respecting wildlife ensures that frogs continue their ancient song. When frogs thrive, ecosystems thrive. When frogs vanish, nature sends a warning. Frogs may be small, but they are powerful. They are survivors, hunters, singers, and guardians of the natural world. Their story is one of transformation, balance, and resilience. To protect frogs is to protect life itself. This is not just the story of a frog. This is the story of nature's balance. Presented by King of the Wild. Thank you for watching this video. If you want more videos like this, please subscribe King of the Wild for more upcoming videos.